So hey guys, Ranga here, and in today's video we will see best free office suite which can be a good alternative for your MS Office. So in this video I will cover 3 different office suite, and all the 3 office suite which I am going to cover in this video is a very good alternative for MS Office, and all the 3 office suite are free to download and use. And all the 3 office suite are also available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So it does not matter which operating system you use. For all Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems, you will get these 3 office suites. So just make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you end up liking this video, to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. With that said, let's head into the video. And first in the list guys, we are having LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free and open source office suite, and in fact LibreOffice is so powerful that it has been prized as the best free and open source alternative to MS Office. And LibreOffice is a package of 6 different office applications, but for most of the people what they need is a Word document, a Excel document and then a presentation document. So we will be covering about these 3 things in detail in today's video guys, and this is the default interface of LibreOffice Home. So here you get the recently opened files over here, and let me actually open up a document for your reference, and this is how the default layout of LibreOffice looks like. And guys, by default you will not get this toolbar, but the default toolbar will be something like this one. And if you do not like this, you can actually go over to interface and you have got some options over here. My favorite is tabbed, so I will always use this because it gives it a kind of MS Office like look, and you also have a sidebar from where you have different options to choose from. And as far as text guys, I installed Microsoft fonts in LibreOffice, so it has some Microsoft fonts as you can see over here. And by default, one important thing is that since LibreOffice is an open office, by default it will save documents in an open document format, but it is not a problem. If you go over here and go over load and save and to general, here you all have an option which is always save as, and by default it will be in open document format, but you can change it to Office 365 format, which is the .docx for Word document, and then apply and then click on OK. And from now any document you type and save in LibreOffice Writer will be saved by default as .docx format. And one important thing is that LibreOffice is 100% compatible with MS Office 365. So any Office 365 documents you open, it does not matter if it is a Word document or Excel document or PowerPoint presentation, they will open flawlessly in LibreOffice without any formatting issues or font issues or anything like that. So this makes LibreOffice a very good alternative for MS Office. And also the fact that LibreOffice is free and open source, you can actually get the source code of LibreOffice and you can actually check it, and if you do not like the source code, if you do not like anything in that, you can actually modify the source code, recompile it and have a own version of LibreOffice for yourself. And you can even distribute your own version of LibreOffice without getting any legal issues. Now let me actually also show you how Excel looks like in LibreOffice. They do not call it as Excel, they call it as LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. So this is how the default one looks like. Again guys, it has all the features which MS Office Excel has, and in fact guys, LibreOffice does offer some more extra features than what MS Office has. And in my usage guys, I have found LibreOffice to be more stable than what MS Office is. And just for a minute, let me actually show you how LibreOffice Presentation looks like. And this one guys, it looks a bit different from MS Office Presentation, and you have actually got a lot of template to choose from. So let me actually go with no template. So click on cancel, and this user interface guys is a bit different, so you need to get used to it. You can choose backgrounds from here. If I want just colors, I can go with this, or gradient or things you have got, and you can also insert an image if you want. Let us actually try it out. And yes, as you can see, we can insert an image without any issues, and this also has a lot of features guys. But when it comes to presentation application, I felt like MS Office is bit better than LibreOffice Presentation, but I hope with future updates LibreOffice will make their presentation more and more feature packed, so let's hope for that. But as far as the Word document and Excel is concerned, LibreOffice is flawlessly perfect. I would even go ahead a step and say that LibreOffice Word and LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet actually impressed me so much that I will say LibreOffice is better than MS Office in those two applications. So that is all about LibreOffice, guys. Still, if you are confused if you can use LibreOffice as your daily office suite, do not worry, just go to Google and search for LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free and open source software. So if you are using for Windows, go over here to their official page, and it is free and okay. By default it is actually showing me the Linux download only, so I can go over here and select Windows 64-bit and you can download and install it for you guys. So use it for some days. If you like LibreOffice, you can keep on using it. If you do not like it, you can just uninstall it. There is no registration process, no software key, nothing like that. It is completely free and open source to use, so just go ahead and try it for yourself. The next the next office suite about which we are going to talk in this video, a lot of people will be familiar with this office suite already, and most of you will also be having this as the default office suite in your phone. Yes, I am going to talk about WPS Office. Now WPS Office is also a free software, which can be a very good alternative for MS Office. And WPS Office by default has only 3 applications: a presentation, a Excel, and a document. And again, guys, WPS Office is also available in all Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So anything you use, you can get WPS Office to use. So let me actually open a document to show you guys how WPS Office looks, and you can see WPS Office looks more like MS Office than what LibreOffice did. And one good thing with WPS Office is that by default it stores document in .docx format, so you did not change it. Let me actually just type something and then let me save this document, and as you can see, by default it is saving in .docx, guys, unlike in LibreOffice where we need to change it. But don't get me wrong, guys, I prefer LibreOffice over WPS Office always, but yes, at times I also use WPS Office, but still LibreOffice is my favorite. So let me actually show you how the Excel sheet also looks like here, and you can see it looks much more like your MS Excel than what LibreOffice looked like. So you have all the options over here. You can do anything you want from over the toolbar on the top, and I actually personally prefer this white color toolbar which we have here in WPS Office than the black color one which we had in LibreOffice. Again, guys, as I said, with future updates they will make the toolbar look much more better, at least I hope that so. And also you have got a presentation software in WPS, and personally what I think is that, guys, the presentation software is not as powerful as what we have in LibreOffice. Again, guys, as I said, the LibreOffice presentation is itself not as good as what MS Office presentation is. So this one is actually much more weaker than what we have in LibreOffice. As you can see, there are very less templates available for usage, and also background is also very less available for usage than what we saw in LibreOffice. So you can also go to Google and download WPS Office and check it out if you want. Again, it is a free software, so you need not pay anything or register anything like that. But since WPS is not open source, you need to agree to their license and terms before usage. In my personal preference, guys, I would choose LibreOffice over WPS, but still I have both these office suites in my computer and I use both of them frequently. And the third one which I am going to talk now is not my favorite, guys, but just for the purpose of this video I downloaded and tested the office suite, and it does work well. It is nothing but the Softmaker Freeoffice. Guys, actually Softmaker Office is a paid office suite, but Softmaker also makes a free version which it calls as Freeoffice, and Freeoffice installation comes with 3 applications installed. One is Word document, one is Excel, and the other one is presentation. So guys, Freeoffice actually does not have as many features as our LibreOffice has, but the most important thing with Freeoffice is that the user interface looks exactly like what do you say MS Office. You can see over here it just looks exactly like what MS Office interface look, no different guys. And again by default guys, LibreOffice also uses Office 365 format, so you can save. Let me actually show you. Let me type something like this and then let me close it and save. And as you can see, it has an option to choose Microsoft Office file format. If you choose this and click on OK, it will save in Microsoft Office file format. Again guys, what do you say, LibreOffice also has the feature. I don't know why I'm insisting so much on LibreOffice, but LibreOffice is my personal favorite, to be very honest. So let us actually move on and check the other applications we have got over here. Let me go over here to presentation and Plan Maker it is called. So I think it is the Excel for Softmaker Office. So it also looks much like what our Windows MS Excel looks like. So all the options you have got over here guys. One important thing is that the free office actually has very less number of features when you compare to the full version of Softmaker Office. This makes your LibreOffice or WPS Office a much more viable alternative for MS Office guys. So moving on, let me actually open presentation and show you that also. Yes, FreeOffice presentation over here, and let us actually close these things. We do not need this. Okay, anyways, again guys, it is looking very much like what do you say MS Office PowerPoint, but it has very less number of features when we compare with MS Office PowerPoint. So I personally do not prefer FreeOffice guys, but if you want the exact MS Office like look, you can actually choose FreeOffice. But otherwise I would tell you to go with either WPS or LibreOffice of your choice. My choice would be like LibreOffice is my personal favorite, but I like WPS Office equally. At times yes, WPS Office is not up to my mark, but LibreOffice always satisfies me in every way possible. Again guys, it is totally up to you guys. It is your personal choice. So download all the Office suite which I have mentioned in this video, and you can try them. You can use them for free, no registration, nothing is required. Though yes, for FreeOffice you will need to register with your email ID once. That is not a big issue. I think just you should give your email ID and then they will send you a product activation code, and with that activation code you can use FreeOffice for your lifetime freely. Again guys, I am telling you FreeOffice is not as powerful as WPS or LibreOffice is, but still you can try all the three Office suites because they are completely free, and whichever you prefer you can make it as your default Office suite guys. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video would have been helpful for you guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. With that said, hope to meet you in my next video guys. Thank you, take care, bye bye.